What is up everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Infinity YouTube channel. Today checking out Bitcoin Munari. One truly interesting crypto project built on Solana, huge plans for the future and currently active pre-sale. There's a lot of things to discuss about BTC Munari, so I think you should definitely stay tuned. We are sitting on their website, but one really important thing that I want to point out before we start checking out anything, this video itself is not financial advice. Do not take it as one if you're thinking about checking, joining, or maybe investing into any crypto project. Definitely do your own deep research. Sole purpose of this video is educational, and with that being said, we can jump straight in. BTC Munari or Bitcoin Munari, one truly interesting crypto project. There are a lot of things to check out. First big thing that we can see is that they are currently in the pre-sale phase in the second round right now, and we have some estimated launch prices sitting at $6. Price per one token right now is $0.22 per one token, which is truly great, and the next price would be 0.45. And we have the massive difference between those two prices, and let me show you. And we can see those differences from $0.22 to $6 is 20x or 2627%. More on the pre-sale a little later, but I mostly want to focus on the product itself and what are they planning to do and what are they doing right now. So first of all, it is really interesting supply, and they're also planning to develop their own blockchain. Truly massive, and compared to BTC blockchain, this one would be much faster, much cheaper, everything would be much better. And compared to the Solana blockchain that they are built on right now, the Bitcoin Munari or Munari blockchain would be EVM compatible, and also we will check the comparisons, but those are just some of the things. As we can see, proven economics picked by the BTC with 21 million supply and all of that. Modern speed implemented into their blockchain with up to 5 or more than 5,000 transactions per second and 3 to 5 second block times. And BTC had around 10-minute block times and could do just 7 transactions per second. They're privacy first, which is truly great. And one big thing is here, validator network. The validator network is doing a couple of things for the project. First of all, they have left 29% of their supply for validators. So someone who is interested in that can get that passive income from validating the transactions on their blockchain. And it is left for a 10-year period. So they're planning to have their validators get the rewards for a 10-year period. One big thing about becoming the validator is that there is amount of the tokens that need to be staked and locked. That is how they are releasing the sell pressure on the token itself and how they are planning to sustain it. As we can see with the validator, there is possibility to earn 18 to 25% APY in year one by running the validator node or delegating your stake with as little as 100 BTCM. But if you want to become better validator, we can see ranked up as validator, there are higher staked amount. We have the calculator and I will show you everything. Early opportunity is something that they are seeing as the opportunity, because we all know BTC once were $0.5, Ethereum were even less, or dollar. Solana also, all the tokens start from extremely low prices, and now this token itself and the product itself is in pre-sale stage. DeFi integration planned for the 2027, truly massive, and showing that they are truly building something that is here to stay, according to their website, of course. We can see some of the problems and solutions with the BTC and how Munari is solving that. Spin unlocked with higher transaction speed and lower cost per transaction. Here we can see the minimal fees and cost under $0.01 on the mainnet, which is truly massive, and BTC had around $20 to $50 in one transaction fee. Instant DeFi access, as we can see, Bitcoin Munari itself and their blockchain will support EVM smart contracts that is enabling DeFi protocols, decentralized exchanges, and so much more launchpads, lending platforms, yield farms to be launched on their network itself. And it is also, this is one massive thing for everyone who want to follow the crypto, energy efficient, because Bitcoin's Munari's proof of stake consensus uses 99.9% less energy than Bitcoin's proof of work, which is truly amazing, and they're addressing those environmental concerns about the crypto mining and all of that. We can see build for the future of finance, supply as we know it, lighting fast transactions, privacy enhanced architecture, which is truly massive. Token economics. Also important to know how one project is building their token network, how they will distribute their tokens. First thing that we are starting from is their supply, which is exactly the same as BTC and will be not increased. There is not more than just 0.1 million. Truly great. The pre-sale that is happening right now, or we can see public sale, is taking 53%. Across 10 pre-sale rounds, right now we're sitting in the second one, and we can see it goes from 0.1 up to $3 per one token, and I'm guessing final stage will have that $3 price. Validator rewards, the thing that I have just mentioned, that are will be released gradually over the 10-year. Two network validators and delegators is 29%, which is around 6 million. Also, we have a liquidity pool that is for launching the token when it goes up, paired with stable coins on Radium. Why Radium? Because the token itself and the project is currently built on Solana, but they are planning, first of all, to create their own blockchain, and next thing also is to get on other blockchains. We can see so this liquidity pool will be paired with stable coins on Radium at launch to provide deep trading liquidity, token locked for minimum 12 months to ensure price stability and protect early investors. Team allocation taking 5%, so around 1 million token. Also, we can see 12-month cliff followed by 24-month linear vesting. So 3 years is the amount of time that tokens will be released for the team, so they can't take it, they can't take it out and all of that. So it is like anti-rug, something like that, so you have security. Marketing ecosystem to expand and to get a global reach is 5% of the token. We can see over here some interesting things. They're saying deflationary mechanism. So we have the fixed supply cap, so no more than 21 million. And we can see all over here says fee burning. As it says, a portion of transaction fees on the mainnet may be burned, permanently removing token from circulation and creating continuous deflationary pressure. They say may, so I'm not sure if that will be implemented, but we will see. It is great to have that option if you want it or not, because lower supply always means higher price. Validator lockups, one more thing that will sustain the price, is that for someone to become the validator, they need to lock up their tokens, and we can see exactly that on this great calculator. Calculator lets anyone to calculate their possible returns and rewards based on the price of BTCM and on the amount of the tokens that are locked. Let's check. First of all, we have the participation type. There is 3 of them. Full validator, which asks for minimum of 10,000 BTCMs. Mobile validator, which is 1,000 tokens locked, and delegator is the minimum of 100 BTCMs. So, because the first option is chosen, there is the minimum of 10,000, and we have over here expected uptime. There is different possibilities going from 90 up to 100%. We'll put it in green zone and in the 100%, and here is the price. We saw at the beginning of the video and on the top of the website that is their targeted launching price. We will see where the token will start, but that is targeted. And now when we have everything set up, you can change. If anyone who wants to check it out can change and choose the option that is interesting for them. Different amount of tokens here can be, for example, 20,000 tokens, and now click on calculating the rewards. So we have the estimate rewards calculation, and we can see that yearly or annual rewards are sitting at 4,000.4 BTCMs, which is estimated at around $24,000 if the price per one token is $6. Monthly rewards are then, if you split it to 12 months, around 328 BTCMs, which is close to 2K. Daily rewards are close to $65 or around 11 BTCs, and annual APY is, with that, calculated 40%. This is based on my parameter select. For example, put it on 95 and see where it will put us, so you can see different amounts and you can choose the option that you think. And also here are some of interesting information. Performance multiplier, uptime 95%, multiplier is 0.8x, and we can see different uptime, different multipliers, and how everything is looking. Full validator node 10,000. Here is the PC specification, because you need to be a validator with some machines. So PC is that, and we can see connection is needed, and also some good, relatively good PC, but it's nothing special. Now we are in the roadmap, and here are the important things. Foundation, the first things, and we can see nothing special there. White paper, pre-sale launches, and in this year, which is 2025, there will be from 4th to 7th round done. Marketing campaign expansion, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, partnership announcement, mainnet development is beginning in December, so next month. Launch, as we can see, January 15th is the pre-sale concludes after the round 10. And launching date is set on 20th of January. But one big thing is that it can be even earlier if the token sold out, and I'm informed that their pre-sale and their tokens are selling really fast, faster than they expected, so maybe we'll have earlier listing, but this is the date that is set out. It will go live on Solana, of course. It will begin trading on Radium, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap. Listing application gets submitted, so it will start trading on Radium, and listing application for CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap will be submitted in February till March of the next year. Applying for central exchange listing, for example, we can see Gate, Maxi, KuCoin. Marketing is happening all the time, and we can see community governance framework published and mainnet technical specification V1 will be released. Now, next year is truly massive, especially from second to fourth quarter. In the second quarter, additional tier 2 exchange listing, mainnet technical specification will be finalized, developer documentation will be released, and testnet validator recruitment will begin. So that is when someone can start and can apply to be validator. Public testnet will be launched in third quarter. Validator education workshop, testnet stress testing, bug bounty program for anyone who wants to test their network and find breaches and vulnerabilities. There will be a reward. DeFi protocol partnership will be made also. Fourth quarter, mainnet security audit completed, migration smart contract deployment on testnet. Truly great. Validator onboarding program expansion, and we can see governance votes on mainnet parameters. Mainnet migration is happening in the beginning of 2027. Bridge from Solana to BTCM mainnet deployed. Portal, we can see portal launches with tutorials. Validator nodes go live. Early validator incentive program will begin. Second quarter of 2027, Munari blockchain officially launch. Full transaction from Solana to independent mainnet. Validator reward distribution begins. Smart contract deployment enables privacy features activation. And till the end of 2027 and in 2028, there will be this DeFi integration because of their mainnet. Decentralized exchange, lending platforms, developer grants program open. that is also big, so developer grants programs, mobile wallet official release, enterprise partnership program, and we can see layer 2 scaling solution research, cross-chain interoperability expansion, and institutional custody solution, global merchant acceptance program, and continuous protocol upgrade. Massive roadmap, truly massive roadmap, inspiring, planned for massive things, planned for big project. Truly great to see someone ambitious, to see someone who is planning something. I love to see something like this, and let me know what do you think about exactly that. We can see over here some technical architecture, or we can see the differences, and as we can see something like a comparison with the SPL tokens on Solana. This is phase 1 and phase 2. So we have the phase 1 where the token is currently on Solana and then going to BTC mainnet. Differences are not in the fees, maybe a little bit because it will be lower than 0.01 that is on Solana. EVM compatible, I think that is the biggest thing about their blockchain that will be developed, and using different proof of stake, truly great, and as we say, energy efficient. Advanced features and technical advanced feature, EVM compatible, cross-chain bridge, privacy layer, validatory incentives, we know all of that. As I mentioned, bug bounty program for anyone who can find vulnerabilities on the project. Ambassador program will be implemented also, and grant program up to 250,000 per project, which will be community voted. Developer fund innovative projects, so they will also help others. There is complete white paper on all of this, and I'm urging everyone who is interested and want to learn about the project to go and check the white paper. It is one massive thing, and everything explained in details about the project itself. Here is also the latest updates and the news about the project, so you can check all of their blogs, which are truly massive, and so on. Now guys, for the ending of this video, I want to show you the pre-sale. As I mentioned, we will get back to it, and we are here right now. It is live currently, and here's the explanation on how to buy. When I click on buy, there is the registration page. I don't have the account, so I will create one right now. Give it just a couple of seconds, and we are now on their dashboard. We can see where that pre-sale is happening, connecting the wallet, of course. First thing we can see, token balance currently not there. I haven't verified my email. It is activated, but I haven't verified it. You can see over here dashboard, invest, history, account, portfolio, website, everything is here. For example, when clicking on buy now, give me just a second, so multiple options for buying in. So guys, here is where the pre-sale itself is happening, easy and simple. I just wanted to show you how it is looking. I think I will finish the video right here. It is quite long video, but there is a lot to mention because the project is massive. Truly inspiring story, truly interesting project. Copying and taking the best from BTC, creating their own blockchain, layer 2 solution, bridging the gap between BTC and other blockchains, and of course their own blockchain, integrating of DeFi on top of their blockchain, and validator rewards on top of all of that. Early stages with second round on their pre-sale, plan to launch on the 20th of January 2026 for a price of $6 per one token, and current price is $0.22. Let me know what do you think about all of this. Also guys, you can check their social medias, that is truly great, and that way you're right away becoming part of their community. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And one thing that I always love to see at the end of every single video, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.